Wants to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect with courtesy. And my people, to my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will bring and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
International and national news is brought to you by Udaykiram from Grade 8 Jasper. International news. Ahead of G20 summit, study says block poured $1.4 trillion into fossil fuels in 2022. 8 people rescued from cable car over Pakistan Valley. National news. Chandrayaan 3 soft landing on moon at 6:04 p.m. after crucial vertical turn. Thank you. Have a wonderful Wednesday.
Good morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by K-Vinay of Grade 8 Jasper. State news. Chandrayaan 3 moon landing to live telecast in all schools in Telangana. Sports news. Indian men's blind cricket team beat England by 7 wickets. Indian win gold and silver at World Para Powerlifting Championships. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Weather forecast is brought to you by G. Vishnu Saram of Grade 8 Jasper. Weather forecast. Minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Mostly sunny. That's the end of news bulletin. Today's thought is brought to you by Yashwant of Grade 8 Jasper. Today's thought. The only thing that can hold us back from achieving our dreams tomorrow is our doubts today. I repeat it again. The only thing that can hold us back from achieving our dreams tomorrow is our doubts today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Today's word is brought to you by Raghuram Reddy of Grade 8 Jasper. Today's word, achieve. It's a verb. It spells as A-C-H-I-E-V-E. It means to complete something by hard work and skill. Friends, please spell after me. Achieve. A-C-H-I-E-V-E. Achieve. Thank you. I'm Sindhu. I'm Sahana from Grade 8 Jasper. We are going to present an article on Chandrayaan and its journey. Chandrayaan 1 was the first Indian lunar probe under the Chandrayaan program. It was launched by the Indian Space Research Organization in October 2008 and operated until August 2009. The mission included an orbiter and a lander. India launched the spacecraft using a PSLV XL rocket on 22 October 2008, 12 am from Satish Dhawan Space Center at Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. The mission was a major boost to India's space program as India researched and developed indigenous technology to explore the moon. The vehicle was inserted into lunar probe orbit and on 8 November 2008. On 14th November 2008, the moon impact probe separated from the Chandrayaan orbiter at 2 p.m. and struck the South Pole in a controlled manner. With this mission, ISRO became the 5th national space agency to reach the lunar surface. After almost a year, the orbiter started experiencing several technical issues, including failure of the star tracker and poor thermal shielding. Chandrayaan-1 stopped communicating at 8 p.m. on 28 August 2008, shortly after which the ISRO officially declared that the mission was over. Chandrayaan-2 was the second lunar exploration mission developed by the Indian Space Research Organization of the Chandrayaan-1. It consists of a lunar orbiter, the Vikram lander and the Pragyan rover, all of which were developed in India. The main scientific objective is to map and study the variation in lunar surface composition as well as the location and abundance of lunar water. The spacecraft was launched from the second launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Andhra Pradesh on 22nd July 2019. A LVM-3 M1 rocket, the craft reached the moon. orbit on 20 August 2019 and began orbital position monoverse from the landing of the Vikram lander. The lander and the rover were scheduled to land on the near side of the moon in the south polar region on a 6th September 2019. However, the lander crashed when it deviated it from its intended trajectory while attempting to land on 6th September 2019. According to the failure analysis report submitted to ISRO, the crash was caused by a software glitch. ISRO is reattempting and land with Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is the third and most recent Indian lunar exploration mission under the Chandrayaan program of ISRO. It consists of a lander named Vikram and rover named Pragyan, similar to Chandrayaan-2. Its propulsion module would act like an orbiter. The propulsion module carries the lander and rover configuration until the spacecraft is in 100 km lunar orbit. The launch of Chandrayaan-3 took place on 14 July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. The lander and rover expected to land near the lunar South Pole region on 23rd August 2023. The covered descent is scheduled for 23rd August 2023 around 5:45 p.m. and touchdown is expected on the same day around 6:04 p.m. From the day of launch, July 14th, the spacecraft successfully carried out all the steps that placed him closer to the moon. The world awaits Chandrayaan-3 historic landing on the moon's south pole of Wednesday. After Russia's Luna 25 crash, people across the globe hope that everything goes as planned with Chandrayaan-3 when it will attempt its soft landing. It's a proud moment for the nation as now the spacecraft and all the systems are working perfectly and ISRO says no contingencies are anticipated till date. Let us all hope and pray that everything goes according to the plan. If everything goes well, India becomes the first nation to step on southern pole of moon. Thank you.
Sing loudly.
Commence to pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. Proud of it. Proud of it. Rich and. Valid heritage. I shall always. Try to be. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect. And treat everyone. Courtesy. To my country. And my people. I pledge. My devotion. India will be. And prosperity. Alone lies. My happiness. Jai Hind. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVS of Baker Hazel. International news. Ecuadorians reject oil drilling in Amazon in historic decision. Pakistan to compensate over 100 Christians who lost their homes in riots. National news. Ahead of big day, Chandrayaan 3 reveals the dark side of the moon. Today by 6 p.m., Chandrayaan will land on moon. ICMR studies post-COVID mortality. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today's State and Sports News is brought to you by Akshara of Grade 5 Hazel. State News. Telangana's draft voters list reveals 3.6 voters with additional of over 8 lakhs new voters. Sports News. India has got a really solid 1-2-3 combination similar to Australia's high day. Thank you. Have a good day. Next, my friend will be continuing the.
Myself Joshita. Today's weather report is brought to you by Joshita of grade 5 Hazel. Weather report. Maximum temperature 36 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. This is end of today's news. Now my friend will continue with the thought of the day. Have a nice day.
The thought of the day is brought to you by Jasper of grade 5 Hazel. Today thought, do it now, sometimes later becomes never. I repeat again, do it now, sometimes later becomes never. Thank you, have a colorful day.
Today's word is brought to you by Pima from grade 5 Hazel. Today's word, adorable, meaning inspiring. Friends, please spell after me. Adorable. A-D-O-R-A-B-L-E. Adorable. Meaning inspiring. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's few facts about the human body is brought to you by K. Shashank and Tagu from grade 5 Hazel. Fact number 1. You are born with 300 bones, but as you age and grow, your bones fuse, leaving you with 206 bones. Fact number 2. Your jaw muscle is the strongest muscle in your body. Fact number 3. Your liver is the only organ that can completely regenerate itself. Fact number 4. Your ear is self-cleaning because of one thing, earwax. It keeps your ears clean and protect from bacteria. Thank you. Next, my friend Tago will continue fact number 5 to 7.
Today, rest of the few facts are brought to you by Tagar of grade 5 Hazel. Fact number 5. Forgot fingerprints. Your tongue print is unique to you. Fact number 6. There are over 10 lakh mils of blood vessels inside your body. Fact number 7. The acid in your stomach is so strong that it could dissolve matter. Thank you. Have a nice day.